Hello art beaters, Becky here for artbeads.com, and I've got a brand new video for you today. Today we're taking a look at some flower bead inspiration. We've got tutorials for making jewelry with flower beads, and I also am going to talk about all the different kinds of flower beads that you can find on our website, artbeads.com. We've got so many to choose from, and they all look beautiful in our jewelry designs. All of these designs that I'm going to be sharing with you today are in our design studio, so that means that we have got free instructions for how to make them, as well as a supplies list so you can shop the supplies yourself. So let's take a look at some flower bead jewelry inspiration. And we have lots of great options when it comes to flower beads. And flower beads are our featured bead of the month for July, as I said last week. We've got this great calendar download for you. Free download, print it out, plan out your whole month here, or put it in your tablet. If you're a tablet user, you can put this in whatever app you like to write on and plan with there, however you want to use it. We do have so many great flower bead options at artbeads.com. This is our latest tutorial to go along with the calendar that features all kinds of different flower beads and bead caps. I've got those lily beads in there, some fun bellflower beads and bead caps, the hibiscus flowers, and some fun coin shapes as well. So that tutorial is in our design studio now with free instructions and a supplies list. So beautiful. And we have so many options, inspirations in our design studio for working with flower beads, as well as a lot of different flower bead shapes, which is so much fun. Love the big hibiscus beads. These are check glass flower beads, and they do come in a range of sizes. We have really small ones, as you can see that I used in here, and then these bigger ones, which I just love how eye-catching those big ones are. So I used them as the focal point in these dangling earrings along with beads in matching colors. Just love how that looks. So pretty. And what's great about these is that flower design is on the front and back. So wonderful. You can do a lot with it. String it, dangle it. You can also wire wrap. This is a fun one. I wire wrapped that beautiful flower onto a bangle along with the check glass wild rose beads and some fun crystals to go along with it. So really fun. All kinds of different fun colors to choose for summer as well. And flowers are a classic option for jewelry. It doesn't have to be just for summer jewelry. You can wear it in all kinds of different seasons, especially depending on the color you choose. There's that, this is like the in-between size of the hibiscus bead. So you've got very small, then you've got the medium size, and then that wonderful large size. All such fun to work with. And I love this, that there were just three kind of blocked together in this almost color block design. It's a really fun one. So really great inspiration there. You got a little preview of the wild rose check glass flower beads in that bracelet there. Another favorite flower bead option, the wild rose. It's such a beautiful flower shape. It's just blossoming. It comes to life really in your jewelry designs. I used a silver version here, just in simple dangle earrings. Again, wire wrapping is an option. This is one of my favorite pairs of earrings that I've made. They're so fun, and the colors are incredible. So I use these iridescent wild rose beads along with some prestige crystal. I think there's some labradorite in there because this color really reminded me of labradorite. And I wire wrapped the beads across that fun hoop. And I just love how it turned out. They look magical. Floral magic, that's for sure. So, so beautiful. So I love the wild rose beads. Here's another example of that, where I used them as little dangles in my beaded piece. Oh, they're so pretty. These are more iridescent ones, and I paired them with very bright, fun colors. We've got fuchsia, that spring, citrus green, even some turquoise in there. Just a really fun summery look. Again, these are all tutorials in our design studio with free instructions for making them and a supplies list, so you can shop all these supplies, save the instructions so you can make these pieces for yourself too. Super exciting. So love the wild rose beads. Let's see, do I have any more examples of those? We have other great check glass flower beads as well. The lotus coins are such a good option. Great for like yoga jewelry because lotus is so heavily associated with yoga. Great for pairing with gemstones. I used it here with this fun little peacock button and this gorgeous, can you tell I have a thing for iridescent beads? I just love them. Gorgeous iridescent peacock bracelet. So, so pretty. And then I love the color of these ones. So I used them with some crystal drops in these earrings. I think these are so summery and fun. Just love those. So the lotus coins are a lot of fun. And we have other coin styles too. This necklace features these cute, they almost look like sunflowers, but I love the colors of those. Again, this is another great fall option because of that wonderful orange color. So flowers don't have to just be spring and summer. Try them in fall and winter too, because the colors really can make those pieces feel more seasonal. So like these ones would be good for winter too because they're silvery and icy looking. So just because they're flowers, don't limit yourself to spring and summer. They're great all year round. We love flowers at any time. So pretty. So love that. There are so many flower options. So that's a really fun one to feature for this month. Here's another example of the wild rose beads, and then this one is paired with those fun bell flower shapes. So these are like 3D bell flowers that make perfect bead caps in designs. You can see here I use them to kind of showcase the pearls in this memory wire bracelet. I just love the bell flowers. They make excellent little dangles. I've got them here with some round beads, and then these are custom head pins made with our check glass finial beads. So the finial beads match the other beads used perfectly because we have a lot of colors to choose from. I just love the way those bell flowers look. They're so cute. They make wonderful little bead caps. I've got them here in this wonderful dragonfly necklace. I love how they look capping that fun dragonfly bead. And then I also used them just as little flower dangles here with a little fire polished bead. They're so versatile. Super fun. And I also have fun stacking the different bellflower bead shapes. So I've got that smaller bellflower here with a bigger one. I think these are so fun, so summery, with those tassels and some fun Dakota Stones energy prisms. So super cute. Oh, I just love the bellflowers. They just look like fairies. They just remind me of fairies when I use them in jewelry designs because they're just so whimsical, fun, and they're usually in really, you know, fantastical colors. This is a great example of a really large bellflower bead and the hibiscus flowers together. Love that look. So they're very petally, whimsical pieces to add to your designs. So, so pretty. I love them. This one is unique. I took a memory wire bracelet and put the beads on and then attached it to bead links. So you've got this fun kind of curved necklace focal at the front of the necklace. I thought that was kind of a fun project. Thank you. Everything is so pretty. Yeah, flowers really are. Oh, they're such a good motif for jewelry because they make you feel happy and airy and summery, and they're just fun. I love them. Another great option that we have for flower beads are the forget-me-not flowers. They are just so cute. They're almost like daisy spacers. Here they were stitched on top of a herringbone focal, so you could really see that flower look that they have to them, and then a little seed bead on top to keep it in place. Love the forget-me-nots, but they do make great little stacking pieces and spacers in your designs as well. So here they were used in a stringing piece, and you can see how well they stack together and color block together. That's a really fun look in this bracelet and earring set. Love that. So cute. So the forget-me-nots are really versatile. You can use them in a whole lot of ways. Great for bead embroidery, great for stringing, make excellent spacers. So if you stock up in these in a lot of different colors, you'll have spacers and a lot of colors that will work in a lot of different projects. Oh, I wanted to show this one too because I thought this was a unique use of flower beads. So we have this wonderful cup chain that holds Rivoli crystals, but it also works for some of those coin beads like the flowers. So this is a really unique way to display those flowers and designs alongside some Rivoli crystals in that cup chain pronged settings. So that's a really fun piece, super cute. Let's see, what else do we have here? Oh, these are the lily beads, another example with the check glass lily beads. We do really have so many flower options. It's wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful bead to feature for the month of July, which, good reminder, make sure to water your flowers if it's sunny out and they need some water. Use them in your beading and use them in your garden. And don't forget to water them. So these are the lily beads. So cute. I love them with that Art Beads sterling silver swirl piece. They make the perfect accent with that really fun shape for dangling, and they just kind of draw the eye with that bell shape. So pretty. So love that option for sure. Really fun 2-hole option is this Rosetta bead that looks like a little rose. Used here with Super Duos and Toho Demi Rounds for such a cute little delicate looking piece. So love those Rosetta beads as well. Okay, let's see. Did I miss anything on this tray full of beautiful flowers? Oh, and then speaking of our hand-painted focal beads, we do have some hand-painted focals that have a floral theme to them. So that's another one to be on the lookout for this month are some of our flower beads in our hand-painted focal bead collection. So that's what this is here. And this was just strung with some pearls and crystal for a really elegant looking necklace. So beautiful. So that's something to look out for too. The swirl piece on the earrings, it is a sterling silver link. This piece is linked in the video description, so you can find the supply list there too. I can also link this piece to you directly later after we're done here. But I love this piece. Isn't it cool? It's just a really great link. It's got a loop on each end, and it's just really eye-catching. I thought it was perfect for earrings, and so I just added a cute little flower bead to the end, and you've got some really fun earrings there. So that is in our Art Beads Designer Sterling Silver collection. Really nice sterling silver pieces in that collection, including this swirly fun piece. I just love that. Mesmerizing, right? Thanks for asking. Yeah, so that's just some of the flower inspiration in our design studio. We have so much more. If you just type in flower in our search box at artbeads.com, not only will you see a bunch of bead and charm and pendant and link options. If you, on the left, there's filters where you can filter down to what you want to see exactly. If you just choose tutorials, you will see all of our tutorials with flowers on them. There are so much great inspiration there. So make sure to check all of that out. I've got links to everything here in the video description. We have so much great flower inspiration. And don't forget to check out our Bead of the Month calendar, because we've got that great July download, and we will have more Bead of the Month inspiration this month, I'm sure of it, because who can resist using flowers? If you didn't watch last week's live video, there's even more flower inspiration in that one, because I made a really beautiful necklace with Prestige Crystal Fine Rocks tube beads and some wild rose beads and other flowers. So make sure to watch that video if you haven't yet, because that was fun coming up with that piece, and I love the necklace that I ended up making with those flowers and those Fine Rocks tubes. So there's even more flower inspiration for you. So definitely check out all the flowery, beautiful pieces month of July and onward, because flowers work anytime. They're just so much fun. And clearly, we have a lot of options. So fun. So hopefully you enjoyed those flowers. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you're inspired to start using flowers in your jewelry. Make sure to leave a like and a comment. We love hearing from you. Let me know what you liked in this video and what you'd like to see next. It's so helpful to hear your suggestions. And as always, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell notification so you're the first to know when videos like this are out. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.